Welcome back to English Dialogue Box, your ultimate dose of college laughter and hostel madness. Today, watch what happens when a super messy guy meets a neat freak in the same room. Chaos, pranks, and non-stop fun await. Let's dive in. Mess versus order. Who will survive the ultimate roommate challenge? Let's find out.
Ayan, can you please lower the volume? My ears are about to file a complaint. What? I can't hear you over this masterpiece. Don't you like classical rap fusion? That's not classical. That's chaos with a beat. And why are your socks on my bed? Innovation, my friend. Socks are art. They belong on the canvas of life, or, your bed. That's it. We need rules right now. Rules? No fun, no music, no sock art. That's tyranny, Zion. It's called discipline. You wouldn't understand. Your chaos is contagious. I'll have you know, chaos is a lifestyle. You can't contain me anywhere. Watch me. Step 1, everything has a place. Your snacks go in the cupboard. Your clothes in the wardrobe. You're talking about my treasures. They don't go in the cupboard. They need to roam free. Free? Free to ruin my life? Fine. I'll show you how it's done. No! My chips! That's vintage! That's limited edition! It's expired, Ayan. From 2021. You just killed a legend! Done. Room is perfect. Perfect? You're a tyrant! Absolute tyranny! And the music off. Fine, but only if we sneak another speaker from under bed. Play just one song. That's it. I'm going to fix this mess permanently. Oops! Oops! That was my laptop charger. The chaos gods demand a sacrifice. I am leaving this room. Look! Together we made the ultimate mess! Ultimate mess? You're impossible. Thank you. Thank you. Chaos creation is an art form. Fine. Maybe we can work together? Yes, yes. Let's make a deal. I handle snacks. You handle boring stuff. Only if music volume stays below 50%. Saluted. 49% it is. See, Zion? Chaos can bring friendship. And headaches, but yes, friendship.